Finish this, Yvonne. Abby. Para daw ako nagsisila. Kaya naman sisila sa beso.
Yeah. It's kind of cute.
You're moving this guy, but this phone is my girlfriend's one.
Ugly. More ugly. Oh, crazy. Handsome. Nice dimples. Hey, I really like the dimple.
You're too bad. You said...
Yeah, the dimple.
You want me to show it?
No, I'm not interested. You know what? I like the cleft chin here.
Where?
Honey guy have a cleft chin. How about Chow? Do I have anything I like in his face?
Hi.
Well, kissable lips. Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay, 100%.
Like you know.
How about this girl? Oh.
Fucking girl.
Yes. Hey.
What are you talking about?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
Uy,
we're here at the
umusap
apartment.
ka ba? Bakit uminit yung ano ko?
What?
Horny ka lang.
Horny ka lang, you wanna go home?
Ito naman, inubos niya yung kape ko. Bakit sumanak mag-horny?
That's good.
Ayan
My
si
coffee
Papa.
is good.
Oh.
Ito, be. Walang... Where is
Thank
that?
You're welcome, Nino.
Hindi ka ino? Hindi.
How to open down?
Wala akong papa na mag-ano sa akin eh.
Ako ngayon ba't
Kaya nga, nakuha ka na.
Love you all, Chica.
Ayaw naman yun. Ayaw ko kasi.
Yoko kasi.
Alam mo na ba ito, ate?
Sige.
Yeah, you talk to us.
Ano yung mata?